I got two stocks I'm watching for Tuesday, April 7th, and here's what they are. So first, I'm gonna go through my bias on the overall markets tomorrow, which I am leaning bearish because the volume on the bottom is decreasing on this move up. We did see a nice little grind higher, which has a lot of low volume, so I'm not really trusting this push up to the upside. Obviously, this could be some low volume because people are probably waiting for the deadline that Trump made on Iran, which is happening, I think, tomorrow. So that could be a possibility as well. But I'm going to be watching the S&P and the Qs around the 21 EMA here, which is basically where we're at on both S&P and the Qs. First stock I'm going to be watching is going to be on ARM. So if the markets do want to grind higher, I think ARM could be a good move to the upside. You can see we're putting in a nice little flag here on the daily. We had a huge push up on some volume and just basically been consolidating on some low volume. We'll see if this can push over the 150 spot. Then we can see it move back to the 170. And then the second stock I'm going to be watching is on AMD. This is going to be a downside play if the markets do end up rejecting and making a new low. This could be a good potential low risk, high reward type of short play. You can see we're back at this 220 spot. We had a nice little wick here that basically trapped probably a lot of buyers on this breakout, closed under the 220 spot. And you can see the last 3 or 4 times we've gotten to this 220 spot, right? You can see back here as well a couple weeks ago, right? We rejected this 220 spot and end up selling back down to 195. So I could see a good little potential short here if the markets do end up being weak again. This could be a short down to 195.